Welcome to susGain. Let's get you started. Say hi to Mia. She needs your help to transform her world into a better place. Here's how. Head over to your activities page and discover a range of exciting things to do. The activities are organized around the 3 do-good areas: zero waste, carbon consciousness, and personal and social well-being. There are different ways to complete activities, such as uploading a picture or taking a quiz. Whenever you complete an activity, you are making Mia's world a better place. But that's not all. You also earn points for completing activities. These points can be used to create real impact in our world. Head to the My Impact page and redeem your points to plant trees, remove trash from the ocean, or donate meals. You can also add activities to your do-good list. Ready for some extra rewards? Head over to the activities page for challenges to complete. Remember to press the accept challenge button before you start any of the activities. Great job completing the tutorial! You're all set to kickstart your journey of doing good.